Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome. And I got one of my favorite drinks in the mail, JAVY. I love JAVY. It is the coffee you crave is a pour away. It's the easiest coffee, And I have shown you this before and I really like it. They sent me something special. This is something new. So I did cut it open and it's easy to open the box. They have it wrapped very nicely. This is in a Ziploc bag. And then it is in bubble wrap. So let me get that open. JAVY asked me if they could send this to me. I think it's a new flavor, y'all. Let's see what it is. I'm excited about it because I love JAVY coffee. I've shown it to y'all before. You can have JAVY. Oh, neat. It's their new packaging. So it is my favorite flavor, which is the original. But look at the new branding, the new packaging. So this is the original coffee. You can serve it cold or hot. There are 30 servings in this bottle. This has that newer bottle. I'll pop when I'm ready. I'll pop that open, and this will break the seal, and then I can pour it right from here. The old way was you had to, twist that open and work with it. This is a nice spout in here, easy to use. This is 5 calories a serving, it says. And it says that there is 30 to 35 servings in this. You use 1 teaspoon in your coffee. You can put that into hot water and just have hot coffee that way. You can then add your sugar and cream if you like to and have it hot. I prefer, my favorite way to use my JAVY is to make it in as an iced coffee. So what I do, you can do that. Add it to cold water and ice and you have an iced coffee, but I like to add cream. I use 2% milk. And so what I do is I take, and I'm gonna make one for you now. So the JAVY new branding looks like this. And then here is the old branding. I'm gonna show you from this bottle because I have this one opened. Because once you open it, you should use it. And I'm almost done with this one. So I might even be opening this for this. So what I do, because I like iced coffee, like I said, you can make hot coffee, you can make iced coffee, you can make flavors. I like the coffee concentrate, just the plain coffee concentrate. They have flavors that y'all are going to love if you like flavored coffees. So I take my glass, I put ice in it. I got this fabulous straw from JAVY. It's great for stirring as well. What I do is, well, you can do it different ways. You can pour in your coffee first and then pour in your milk, or the other way around. So I'm gonna pour in, I use 2% milk. You can use milk, you can use water, you can use, again, like we said, hot water, cold water, whatever you like. You can use soy milk, you can use almond milk, whatever you like. So I use 2% milk, and I'm gonna pour that in. And then I take my JAVY coffee concentrate. This is, again, the new branding is what they sent me this for, to show you the cute new label, very cute. And the top is so nice, y'all. The way it opens is when you pop it the first time, there's a little piece that'll come off. And then see how nice and easy that is to pour. So we're gonna do that. We're going to use our teaspoon. Now, because I have a big glass here, I'm gonna put more than one. Let me just show you how pretty that looks. So when you put in your teaspoon, some people just like to drink it like that and not stir it up. Because I have a larger cup, a larger glass, I'm gonna put in 2 teaspoons. And when I make this in the morning for work, I use a very large tumbler that I got from a coffee shop. It's quite large, and I use 3 teaspoons. So there it is. See how pretty that is? And what I just sort of rinse my teaspoon in there, and there I have it. And it is delicious, y'all. I love it. Now, what I like to do is I do like to stir it. Some people don't. It's just absolutely delicious. I'll tell you something, y'all. I cannot drink regular coffee because it's too bitter. If I'm at someone's house and they give me coffee, I have to put a ton of sugar and a ton of milk in it to, cover up the flavor. because I'm picky about my coffees. But if I use really good coffee, really good brands of coffee, I don't have to do that. This I do not have to add sugar to. I'm so proud. I can't tell you, because I always have to have sugar in my coffee, always. I use a really good brand of coffee when I make my cappuccinos and lattes at home with my machine, but I still have to add a little bit of sugar to take away a little, because it's just because of the process or whatever, but this does not need sugar. So this has 5 calories and there's no sugar in it. So I'm getting my calories from my milk. Again, if you put it in with water, then you're not going to have any more calories than the 5 calories unless you add a sweetener. And I don't like the fake sweeteners. So this is just, it's smooth and delicious, and I love it. It just tastes great. So that is my JAVY, and thank you so much, JAVY, for sending this to me. I love it. The new branding is adorable. And like I said, go check out their website. I have a link below. I don't know if it gets you, they send you all kinds of emails. You can get all kinds of discounts. I don't know that it helps you to use my link, but if you want to use my link to find them, they have mocha, they have peppermint, they had like a pumpkin spice, which I think people loved it so much last year that they kept it all year. They have flavors. Like I said, I love the smell when you go in a coffee shop and smell all those flavors. I love it. But for me, tasting, I just like plain. So this is just a fabulous coffee taste. So thanks y'all for stopping by, and thank you to JAVY for sending this to me. Y'all take care. Count your blessings.